नमस्ते, मैं डॉक्टर वाई के सुभाष सिंह. Today we will be discussing about a case which we did recently at Sri Hospital in Kulti. It was a structural intervention in which we had done a balloon dilatation of the mitral valve. The procedure is called as BMV or PTMC in short form. The patient was a difficult profile. Actually, the patient had a severe mitral stenosis with mitral valve area of around 0.5 centimeter square only, and he had a huge dilated LA of around 62 millimeters, and there was severe calcification of the mitral valve. Also, the subvalvular disease was significant along with calcification. So overall, the patient had a very calcific severe mitral stenosis, which was of critical nature, and the outside echo had been reported as having normal LV systolic function, but the patient had severe LV systolic dysfunction when we reviewed the echo at our place in Sri Hospital. So overall, the patient had a very high risk profile for mitral valve surgery, open mitral valve replacement surgery, because the patient would had underlying severe LV dysfunction. So the patient was planned for a BMV, and we had given an option for the patient to be taken at another center also, given this was our center is a recently opened center. So we had given him suggestion because the profile of the patient was a difficult one. It was not a routine BMV, so we had given an option for a BMV procedure to be done at an outside center with a more experienced center also. But the patient and the relatives were adamant to get it done here only. So we took backup with a CTV surgeon and then started the procedure. The only good point that I would say which had a ray of hope for him that the procedure would be success was that the mitral valve annular calcification, it was asymmetrical. One of the mitral commissure, that is on the lateral side, was free of calcification. So usually when there is calcification on both the mitral commissures, their chances of getting an MR is very high. Luckily, this patient had calcification only in the medial mitral commissure. So we had a hope that in spite of given this much of technical difficulties, given that one of the mitral commissure was free of calcification, we had a hope that the procedure might be a success, and so we went ahead and gave a try for the BMV procedure. And we undersized the balloon during the procedure to reduce the risk of MR, and also the calcification of the valve was a high risk feature for the patient to develop an MR. So these were the precautions that we had taken, and we initially the patient had presented in congestive heart failure, and he was in atrial flutter with fast ventricular rate. Both the rates and the congestion of the patient were relieved with medical management, and the patient was taken off after 3 to 4 days of hospitalization after the patient had become relatively stable. So during the procedure, the patient tolerated the procedure very well. It was a relatively long procedure, and luckily with God's grace, every step went quite smoothly, and we had a good puncture, and the balloon dilatation done with the BMV balloon was also a single pass was given, and it was also successful. And we tried giving further dilatation because we had undersized the balloon, and after single dilatation we reviewed the echo, and there was minimal increase in the MR, and intensity was still mild MR only. So and the gradient had decreased across the mitral valve. So we thought that we might give another dilatation also with a larger size balloon, but the balloon upon withdrawal, when we tried balloon dilatation, the balloon could be retrieved completely from LV into LA without even dilatation only. So it was an indication that the valves were adequately opened, and we tried it twice, but the balloon slipped from LV to LA, and the dilatation. So it indicated that the dilatation was adequate, and we reviewed the echo, and as expected, the lateral commissure had given off, and there was only mild intensity of MR, and luckily the patient is tolerating the procedure very well. He is currently hospitalized and planned for discharge in a day, and I would like to give a message that this kind of procedures can also be done at our place center, including the structural interventions like device closures or valve interventions can be done. So I would like to pass on this message to the community that if you are having such kind of problem or any of your relatives are finding such problem in which a complex intervention is needed, you are most welcome at Sri Hospital in Kulti. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं अर्पिता मुखर्जी, कैथ लैब टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट फ्रॉम श्री हॉस्पिटल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं BMV या PTMC के बारे में। ये एक हार्ट का सर्जरी होता है, बलून सर्जरी होता है, जो अभी कुल्टी के श्री हॉस्पिटल में हो रहा है। और ये सर्जरी बस एक पैर में से चैनल करके किया जा रहा है। तो पहले केस देख लेते हैं। यहाँ पे पैर में एक चैनल बना के कैथीटर ले जाके हार्ट में हम लोग जो प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया है, जो ये वाल्व है, जहाँ पे कैल्शियम जमा होने के कारण से ब्लड खून एक चेम्बर से हार्ट के दूसरे चेम्बर पे फ्रीली नहीं जा पा रहा है। तो आज हम एक सर्जरी करेंगे जहाँ पे ये जो कैल्शियम जमा होके वाल्व स्टक हो जा रहा है, इसको खोला जाएगा। तो उसके लिए पहले ये कैथीटर लेके गए हैं और कैथीटर ले जाके हम लोग लोकेट किए हैं कौन सा जगह से एंटर करना है वाल्व के पास। ये एक स्पेशल निडल है जिसमें से हार्ट के अंदर एक छोटा सा पंक्चर किया जा रहा है और उस निडल के सहारे एक तार को हार्ट के एक चैम्बर में, ये है लेफ्ट एट्रियम, ये हार्ट का एक ऊपर चैम्बर है जहाँ पे ये तार को पार्क किया जा रहा है और उस तार के सहारे एक स्पेशली डिज़ाइन जो ये बलून है उसको वाल्व के पास लेके जा रहे हैं। ये बलून है, ये एक स्पेशल बलून है जो ये बलून सर्जरी में यूज़ होता है। अब इस बलून को वाल्व के अक्रॉस ले जा रहे हैं और फुला दिया जा रहा है। तो ये बलून फुलाने के बाद यहाँ पे जो कैल्शियम जमा होके जो ब्लॉकेज कर रहा था, जो वाल्व का जो लीफलेट है उसको ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट कर रहा था, ये बलून फुलाने के बाद वो कैल्शियम यहाँ से हट जाएगा। तो उससे जो ऊपर का चैम्बर और नीचे का चैम्बर में जो ब्लड फ्लो होने में रुकावट आ रही थी, अभी वो कम हो गया है। तो ये प्रोसीजर होने के बाद फिर इको रिपोर्ट में इकोकार्डियोग्राफी करके हम लोग कंफर्म कर लिए हैं कि ब्लड फ्लो में अभी जो पहले जो रेस्ट्रिक्शन हो रहा था तो वो अभी बहुत कम हो गया है। पेशेंट को ये जो बेनिफिट मिला है इसके लिए उसको सर्जरी भी नहीं करना पड़ा और पेशेंट अभी CCU में है और प्रोग्रेशन बहुत अच्छा है। अभी एक दो दिन में वो स्टेबलाइज होने के बाद उनका छुट्टी कर दिया जाएगा।
लक्ष्मी साहब मेरा नाम है, भुवंडिया महावीरपाड़ा घर है, मोटिया का काम करते हैं। हम बहुतों दिन से, करीब साल भर से हम बहुतों से डॉक्टर के पास हम दिखाएं, कोई ठीक नहीं करने सका। लास्ट में सुभाष बाबू दिखाएं, सुभाष बाबू बोला कि ठीक है मेरे पास आओ हम देखते हैं। यहाँ आए, हमको ऑपरेशन कर दिए, हम ठीक हो गए हैं। बहुत अच्छा है।